Uh-oh. 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 I want to make sure I don't run over him. Uh-oh. See, I'm coming to the landfill. Just drive it in, we'll chunk it. Looks like I arrived just in time.
Just in time, I guess. Through the cones, go through the road, back around to that one that's on the floor already.
Alright.
Martha's back there.
There's an auto repair shop down that way, you know now.
Yeah, but you gotta go through a lot of red tape for this company to get.
No. There's a guy repairing his truck down there. Okay, you don't know.
Oh, I don't know.
All right, as I was coming up the grade, 150 feet from the gate, there's a truck partially off the road, and there's two guys underneath working on it.
Well, our boss man may have passed by him.
Okay, but so you know now.
Thank you.
And then I can go there?
For recycling, yes.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Alright. Okay, I guess I gotta do my own. We're good. I told him, I'll tell you, I'm waiting to the entrance as you come up the grade to the gate. There's a truck partially off. Okay, you know about it.
He come through and told me that his truck, he thought he'd run out of gas and his wife.
Yeah, it's obviously, it's either a gas pump or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Just letting you know.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
In the early 1990s when I worked in Mexico and I drove into Mexico City, there were car repair shops that were by the curb. There was no building.
Oh, really?
That's what it reminded me
Wow.
of. There you go. Because you drive in every week and you see them repairing a different car or truck. That's where they were.
How about that?
Right on the ground in the curb.
Now watch that truck, so I don't know what
I'll try not to let him run me over.
There you go.
black bag is so that stuff doesn't tip over and spill in the back seat of the car. There we go. So Marcia says that this repair job down there is that at first the guy thought he'd run out of gas. Well, actually, but with them working under the truck, that means they're doing something like changing the fuel pump, or looking to see if there's something wrong with the gas line. Let's see if they're still there. Is that the one that we're working on? I'll have to check the video. I know there were two on that side. Okay. That's my fun today at the landfill. Steve A. before y'all. Saying see you at 73.